Smartphones. We all have them, and we all use them daily. But have you ever stopped to think what your phone is made of? If you take a phone apart starting with the outside, the glass is made from aluminum oxide and silicon dioxide. Behind the glass are the batteries that power your phone and the wiring and circuits. The batteries are made from lithium cobalt oxide and carbon graphite, while the wiring uses gold, copper, and silver. Research predicts that in 2019, there will be 4.7 billion phones in use. This means that we will need 71,000 tons of copper, along with 2,400 tons of silver, 500 tons of gold, and many more tons for other elements. The journey of your smartphone starts from deep down in the earth. Take, for example, the gold used in the wiring. Gold can come from mines in North America, Africa, Russia, Indonesia, or Australia. Gold particles are typically found mixed with other non-valuable rock, and this mixture, also known as ore, is mined out in open pit or underground mines. This mixture is then sent to the mill where the gold can be separated from the other non-valuable rocks, before it gets sent to refineries to further remove impurities. Since a smartphone is made of up to 75 different elements, and recycling phones does not recover all the metals, that means the raw materials for your smartphone need to be mined from countries all over the world. Mining contributes to many items used in our everyday life, and smartphones are just one of them. Check out our other videos to learn how mining makes your everyday life possible.